Welcome friends, you're just in time. Come on in, it's Easter time. Grab your ears and wiggle toes. Through these doors the magic grows. Follow me, don't lag or stop. I'm Sunny MacSquiggles, chief of Hopperations.
Bounce along, come take a look in the Easter Bunny workshop. Paint and pack and giggle lots. Round and round, the fun won't stop.
Dip it, trip it, dot, dot, dot. Stripes and sparkles paint the lot. Red and blue and purple too. Every egg's a masterpiece. Woo! Spin it slow, now let it dry. Hold it up for all to see.
Bounce along, come take a look in the Easter Bunny workshop. Paint and pack and giggle lots. Round and round, the fun won't stop.
Swirl the chocolate, shake the beans. Sweetest treats you've ever seen. Jelly pops and cocoa drops. Sticky paws, oh never stop. Taste test here.
Just one or two.
Shh, that's workshop rules on us. Basket assembly line. Baskets rolling left and right. Fill them up just snug and tight. Eggs and candy tucked in neat. Ready for some bunny feet. Ready?
Ready,
Go!
go!
Ready?
Ready,
Go!
go!
Daffodil picking and tying room. Pick, pick, pick a daffodil bright. Yellow like the morning light. Sniff, 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 smells oh so sweet. Petals falling, 1, 2, 3. Tie, tie, tie with ribbon neat. Flowers make our basket sweet. Pick, tie, smile, ta-da, hooray! Springtime's here, it's Easter Day.
Bounce along, come take a look in the Easter Bunny workshop. Flowers, eggs, and candy too. Round and round, the fun won't stop.
Wave goodbye, don't be late. Easter magic's truly great. Sunny MacSquiggles smiles and says, see you next spring, every bunny out!